Wow. So what am I looking at here?
Name of the instrument is micro-microscope, and I have invented in this instrument in the year 1998. Cost of this microscope is only 850 rupees. You can carry in your pocket, you can go to anywhere, you can make any slide, like you can use permanent slide, semi-permanent slide or temporary slide. Magnification of this microscope is the 50x, and you can take a microphotograph.
This tiny insect, smaller than half a millimeter in its dimensions, was eating away at the tulsi leaves in the garden. These are pollens of hibiscus flower, 100 times magnified by the MM02 model of the micro-microscope. And these are red blood corpuscles of the human blood, magnified 450 times by the MM02 model. With Ramendralal Mukherjee's micro-microscope, you get a glimpse of the micro world around you. Pop's Team Talk Show will bring you more such wonders. Keep watching.